Welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you join us today for another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into the top 10 steps you can take to become a millionaire. These steps are not just theoretical, they are practical, actionable, and have been tried and tested by some of the most successful people in the world. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned investor, or someone just looking to improve your financial situation, this episode is packed with valuable insights that can help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to enhance your wealth, these strategies will set you on the right path. We'll cover everything from mindset shifts to practical tips on saving, investing, and growing your income. We'll also share inspiring stories of individuals who have successfully navigated their way to financial freedom. So grab a pen and paper because you'll want to take notes on these life-changing tips. Let's get started. The journey to becoming a millionaire starts with the right mindset. It's about believing that you can achieve financial success and being willing to put in the work to make it happen. We'll discuss the importance of setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. We'll also talk about the power of positive thinking and how it can influence your financial decisions. Next, we'll delve into the importance of education and continuous learning. The financial world is constantly evolving, and staying informed is crucial. We'll provide tips on how to stay updated with the latest financial news and trends, and recommend some of the best resources for learning about personal finance and investing. We'll also cover the significance of budgeting and managing your expenses. Knowing where your money is going is the first step to taking control of your finances. We'll share effective budgeting techniques and tools that can help you track your spending and save more money. Investing is another key component of building wealth. We'll discuss different types of investments, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. We'll also provide tips on how to start investing, even if you have limited funds, and how to diversify your investment portfolio to minimize risk. Networking and building relationships are also crucial for financial success. We'll talk about the importance of surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who can support and inspire you. We'll share tips on how to build a strong professional network and find mentors who can guide you on your financial journey. Finally, we'll touch on the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Financial success is not just about making money. It's also about enjoying the fruits of your labor and living a fulfilling life. We'll provide tips on how to balance your financial goals with your personal well-being and happiness. So stay tuned as we explore these 10 steps in detail. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear roadmap to achieving your financial dreams. Let's embark on this journey together and make your millionaire dreams a reality. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. This is the foundation of any successful financial plan. Without clear goals, it's easy to get lost and lose track of your progress. Write down exactly what you want to achieve. Be as specific as possible. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $10,000 in the next 12 months. Whether it's saving a specific amount, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having a clear and specific goal will help you stay focused and motivated. Or perhaps your goal is to invest in real estate. This could mean buying your first home, purchasing a rental property, or even investing in a real estate investment trust. Having a clear target is crucial. It gives you something to aim for and helps you measure your progress along the way. Without a target, it's like trying to hit a bullseye while blindfolded. You must have a millionaire mindset. Every morning when you wake up, say this: I am a millionaire. Repeat this every day, and you will be on your journey to success. Regularly review your goals and adjust them as needed. Life changes, and so do your financial priorities. Make sure your goals are still relevant and achievable. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Reaching a financial goal, no matter how small, is a significant accomplishment. Reward yourself for your hard work and dedication. Once you've achieved a goal, set a new one. Financial planning is an ongoing process, and there's always room for improvement. Keep challenging yourself to reach new heights. Don't be afraid to seek help if you need it. A financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you create a plan that's tailored to your unique situation. Educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Use tools and resources to help you stay on track. There are many apps and online tools available that can help you set, track, and achieve your financial goals. Remember, setting clear financial goals is the first step towards financial freedom. With a clear plan and the right mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Step 2. Educate yourself. Read books, take courses, and follow financial experts. Knowledge is power, and understanding money management is key to building wealth. Step 3. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to identify where you can save. Every dollar counts on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Step 4. Save and invest wisely. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Look into stocks, bonds, and other investment opportunities that align with your goals. Step 5. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or passive income opportunities. Step 6. Network and seek mentorship. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals and learn from those who have achieved financial success. Step 7. Stay disciplined and patient. Wealth building takes time. Stick to your financial plan and don't get discouraged by short-term setbacks. Step 8. Continuously reassess and adapt your strategies. The financial landscape changes, so be prepared to adjust your approach as needed. Step 9. Give back. Helping others not only makes a difference, but can also create opportunities and connections that benefit your wealth journey. Step 10. Believe in yourself. Confidence and a positive mindset are essential. Trust that you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable. Our goal is to provide you with insights and tips that can help you on your journey to success. Whether you're just starting out or already on your way, every bit of knowledge can make a difference. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share this video with your friends and family, and spread the word. Your support helps us create more content that can inspire and guide others. Every like and share counts and motivates us to keep bringing you the best. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with tips, strategies, and stories of success. Don't miss out on any updates that could be the key to unlocking your potential. What steps are you taking to become a millionaire? Are you setting clear goals, creating a solid plan, and staying committed to your vision. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Share your journey with us. Repeat this 3 times every day. I am a millionaire. Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our community and learning about your experiences. Your stories and feedback not only inspire us, but also help others who are on a similar path. Let's build a supportive and encouraging community together. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. Until next time, keep striving for greatness and never stop believing in yourself.